Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the preview pane in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so everything is ready to work with. This ensures you'll be able to see the changes you're about to make in real time. Once your emails have fully loaded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll notice several tabs up there, and what you're looking for is the View tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is where Outlook keeps all the settings related to how your inbox and emails are displayed, making it the perfect place to customize your workspace. After clicking on the View tab, a menu will appear with various layout and display options. Look for an option called Reading Pane and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This is the feature that controls where and how your email preview appears when you select a message. It's incredibly useful for adjusting your workflow based on how much screen space you have or how you prefer to read your emails. Once you click on the Reading Pane drop-down, you'll see several options for customizing your preview setup. You can choose to position your email preview pane on the right side of your screen, which is great if you prefer a wider view of your email content. Alternatively, you can set it to appear at the bottom, which works well if you want a taller view of your inbox list. There's also an option to turn the preview pane off entirely if you prefer opening emails in separate windows. Simply select the preview setup that best suits your needs and workflow. And that's it. You've successfully changed the preview pane in Outlook, giving you a more personalized and comfortable way to manage your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.